Ooh, that was funny as shit.
Is that on there?
Yeah.
What?
You get that on video?
Yeah.
Wow.
That definitely would have been on there.
You see what I just did? You'll see it on camera.
He's put little Jay's board on with fucking shoes.
Yeah.
These are way too close together.
Hey, my skateboard shoes?
Yeah. He's got that way. He's like, yeah.
Well, I could fucking break my legs like that. That's hilarious.
I wonder if I can drop into that.
The rainbow?
Probably not.
Let's get a different.